You're about to embark on an incredible journey. Hi, I'm Dr. Donna Coriel, and I am going to take you on that journey as your guide. So you have just signed up for the PR package through SoMeDocs, and thank you so much for that. This is going to be such an exciting time. We are going to meet every 3 months in a quarterly session that's held online via Zoom. All you need to do is just pick the date and the time, and a Zoom link will be sent over to you. When it's time to go, you just click the link and you go into the room in which we will meet. I will take you on a journey from there. I'm going to get to know you. We're going to get to know your brand. We're going to decide what it takes for your brand to grow properly, which channels to use online, etc. And we are going to make productive growth that's gradual, but that does happen. So go ahead and use the link to schedule our first meeting. And I am so excited to meet you and get started. I'll see you there.